Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Bitget account. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your Play Store or App Store. And then just go ahead and use the search bar and type down Bitget. Okay. So download the Bitget buy and sell crypto app right here. And then once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and tap on open. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can go ahead and tap on get started right here. And then just go ahead and enter your email right here. And then once done, tick on this checkbox and then tap on next. Okay, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you a code from your email. So all you're going to do is just go ahead and open up your emailing service. And just paste the code right here. Once done, at the next page, it will ask you to type down a password. So just go ahead and write down your desired password. And then hit on next right here. And as you can see, as fast as that, here we now have our Bitget account. Okay. Now, if you want to go ahead and set up your Google Authenticator or any other two-factor authentication, well, you can go ahead and check our channel. We have a ton of Bitget videos, also how to trade, how to exchange, and so on and so forth. Okay. But that's just basically it, and that's how easy it is to create a Bitget account. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.